I met Yiddish speakers, and especially in Medem Bibliotheque, which is a very important center for Yiddish culture in Paris. And it's very important because there is a bridge, a link between the old generation, let's say, and the new one. Many of the members of the Arbeiterinnen and the Medem Bibliotheque, they came from Eastern Europe, from Vilnius, from Warsaw, and they were very active in this Bundist organization, cultural center. And we are young, new generation, post-Shoah generation, and we are very interested to speak and to learn in contact with all these marvelous people. So Medem was a very important a social place to meet and to speak Yiddish, and also there is a marvelous library. So it was very good also to borrow books, to read books, to newspapers, and to be really in contact with the Yiddish culture. And of course, I spoke Yiddish with them.